for all red-blooded gearheads who love their RPMs high and their barbecue smoking. Welcome to Barbecue and Bolts, where we dig into cars of all kinds, from beaters to burners, and then trade the grease in our nails for barbecue sauce, beer, and good friends. Hang on, cause you're riding shotgun with Barbecue and Bolts.
Those damn hicks! What are they doing?
And this episode of Barbecue and Bolts, Honda Smellement, the $300 Honda Smellement, the one I worked so hard on for 3 months, putting countless parts into, making it brand new, bringing it back from the dead. I went down to Portland, Oregon for a hot sauce festival with all of my hot sauces with the car loaded, and I got into a disastrous 5-car pileup. It totaled the Element. I still have a concussion, actually. This big old Ford truck pulling a trailer hit everybody and totaled the first 3 cars he hit. But with the help of really good friends, it was a great weekend selling hot sauce at the Portland Hot Sauce Festival. We did really well. Good times watching people eat Reaper peppers and all the hottest peppers in the world in competitions. And we had Hot Mom Alert. Julie and Chrissy came to help. And good old Tom Weed is an asshole came over to visit too. It was a real fun weekend with so many sights to see, professional wrestlers, and just people dressed up in funny outfits and good times. But the Element is toast. It's totaled. The front door wouldn't even shut properly. So that's gone. So in my sorrowful state, I went and test drove a Tesla. And that was fun. Then I also went to an auto show, checked out everybody's custom builds. And it's, you find inspiration in different places on how you want to do your next build. So now that the Element's gone, I got this $275 Outback that's been sitting in my backyard forever. And we're going to get it ready for the Gambler 500. It's just a piece of junk, has black tape on the front window. Got the kids to clean it up. And here's my inspiration of what I might want to turn it into, something like this. So the garage was open for business. I proceeded to put in a timing belt. There's so many timing belt videos out here. I decided I'm not going to bore you guys with another timing belt installation, but boom! There it is. New timing belt, new water pump, new thermostat, and new rollers. We're gonna see if this baby starts up. Nope. So, pretty much we tried to get this started, and I think it has some bent valves because the other previous owner blew a timing belt. So, got it back together, not so lucky this time, so I'm going to have to pull the engine, put some used heads on there. But, that's another day and another project that I don't have time for right now, so back in the backyard it goes for now. So I decided it's time to start working on the Excursion. I have this issue of my back door falling down when it's cold out. And it's really a pain in the butt when I'm up snow skiing with the kids trying to get loaded, or if you're just trying to load anything on any morning in the Northwest, it falls down. So I ordered 2 new window struts off of Amazon, and today we're going to install them. So the tools you're going to need for this project are needle nose pliers, a standard screwdriver, and anything to hold up the window while you take even one of the shocks off because it'll start falling down. As you can see here, the old strut is a little crusty there. Here are the contact points. Now the process is actually pretty simple. What you do, there's these little clips that hold the struts in, and you take a screwdriver and you pry those metal clips out. So when you take off the first strut and that clip comes off, you need something to hold the door up. Here I'm using a tripod. Now to unclip these struts from the car, what you do is just take a screwdriver and pop it out. And we're going to do the same one for the one on the door. Now we're going to grab our new strut and load her up. Make sure It's gonna just fit the same direction that the old one did. The steel on top. As you can see, that clip holds it in. So you need to undo the clip before you try to put it on. You can't slam it in, that will ruin it. Your new struts will probably be 2 inches longer than the old struts. But don't worry about this, that's how they're supposed to be. But they're not gonna line up to your door. See this? I have the door all the way open and it still won't fit, and you can't clip it on. And the reason is, you have to take the other strut off the other side in order for the door to lift up further. I sat there for a long time wondering how to get this done, and that's how you do it. So as you can see here, this can be a one-man job or one-woman job. Just get something to hold the door open while you put your new struts in. Don't need an extra person, just need a broom handle. I found what works best is if you take the clip and slide the clip out before you put it on somewhere else. Can you tell I have a husky? Okay, now that I did it with 2 hands, the clip is off and all ready to install. What worked for me is using these needle nose pliers to kind of inch this back into place by squeezing, and that pretty much got everything back where it needed to be. And voila! Have a door that stands super tall, 2 inches taller than the stock one. It even opens in the cold. Actually, it's pretty hard to get down. The wife complains about it a little bit, but hey, it stays open now. That's all that matters. Hey, if you're interested in my hot sauce line, go online to baxtersoriginal.com and we have online ordering. We'll ship right to your doorstep.